Here we go. 3-bedroom housing located in the main base of MCAS Iwakuni, Japan. Walking into the house. Really nice flooring. Here we have an intercom equipped with a camera, so you can see what's going on outside only when someone rings the doorbell. Really convenient. Here we have the under the stairs storage to put some of your extra stuff and don't want people seeing. Here is the half bathroom on the ground floor with the really weird bumpy flooring, so I advise you not to spill any liquids, otherwise you have to scrub vigorously just for the stain to be undone. Same flooring here in the laundry room, however it is equipped with the latest technology in terms of the washer and the dryer, so it is very convenient. Here is the pantry. First one, we have 2 of them. Here is the sliding door and leading to the backyard of the house. That's another storage integrated into the house, and there's the other one outside the house. As you can see, not a lot of space and not a lot of privacy because of the size of the fins and literally the way how it's so see-through. This is the second pantry to put in your stuff. Soy sauce, salt, cooking oil, rice, all the good stuff. Here is the dining room / kitchen. Just put in the table and the chairs in the middle and there you have it. The dishwasher you see over there is also very new. It is a replacement of the old one, which has become obsolete and very moldy. And that's my baby sister watching YouTube. And as a matter of fact, the flooring is also laminated. Some are darker, some are brighter. In this case it's darker. And behind those blinds are also sliding doors. The living room is quite square, so really quite wide, I must say. As you notice, the stairs and the ground floor have the same material, either vinyl or laminates, but definitely not hardwood. And when you get to the second floor, the material changes again of the flooring. Here is your linen closet, sliding doors, boom, putting your blankets, towels, all that stuff, linen. Here's the smallest of the rooms here in the 3-bedroom housing. Got your closet, putting your clothes, and here is the windows. All the windows here in the house are sliding windows, so you can really open them and sneak into your neighbor's house since one unit is connected. And this is the second smallest room, aka second biggest room, since this is the middle one, middle size. You have 2 windows, so you have a great natural lighting without even having to use your lights. Just use natural lighting and you'll be good. Here is the bathroom of the second floor, equipped with a bathtub. Heading into the biggest room, aka the master bedroom, we have another intercom, bro. I mean, look at this, it's amazing. So if someone's doorbelling outside, you don't even have to go downstairs. You can just use this and stay inside, especially if you're lazy or you just want lots of convenience. More of those sliding door windows, lots of natural lighting, very convenient. And now for the most amazing part, the walk-in closet. Super generous in terms of space, lots of space to put in your jackets, jumpers, and your slacks and trousers, all that stuff. Here's the master bathroom, same weird flooring as the laundry room and the half bathroom. This one is equipped with a shower and a folding, sliding, translucent door. However, the lights are really high-tech. Everything's here high-tech. You have remote controls for all the lights from all the rooms in the living room as well. And the half bathroom and the laundry room are equipped with sensing lights, so when you walk in it'll just light up, and when you walk out it's just gonna automatically close. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.